So what I want to do real quick is have Amy come on and share you guys how working two jobs, how she was able to master these skills and not only walk away from one job, but walk away from both jobs. So Amy, I'll let you take it away.
All right, thank you. So really, I want to talk to all of you that are just burned out because that's where I was. 3 years straight working two jobs, 18 hours a day. But here's the kicker. I was also a divorced single mom. And I was just trying to live life and make it all work, but I was struggling. When one job wasn't enough, I got another job. And I didn't know how I was going to fix that, but I knew what I was doing wasn't working. So I had to figure that out. Here's the deal. Struggling for so long, you kind of get used to it and this is what it is. And this is where I'm at. And this is where it's going to always be. And then you find that last bit of hope and you say, you know what? No, I don't want to live the rest of my life like this. That's exactly where I was. I mean, today by 10 a.m., I had already made 900, right? Like I could have never done that. It would have taken me a week to make that, working 18 hours a day. But I do that with this program on a daily basis. Like, are you kidding me? Into my bank account. Never in my life did I ever imagine this would be my reality. I'm 15 months in. I've earned multiple six figures. But here's the deal. When I started 15 months ago, my daughter put me on TikTok. I didn't even know how to do that. I had no clue what the online world was like at all. So I needed a system that was done for me. And then I could learn all about it. And that's what this program has. Handed to me within a couple hours, up and running, a fully functioning online business, up and running. I just needed to learn the skills. So I plugged in every day to that free community that gives me training, live Zooms, daily videos. And I little by little started learning exactly what to do by following exactly what I was told. How did I fit that into 18 hours a day? Wow, let me tell you, I just made the time. We all have downtime throughout our day, right? So as I was getting ready for work at 3 a.m., I was listening to trainings. As I was driving, I was listening to trainings. As I was on lunch, I was doing stuff. Throughout your day, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is for you, you have time. I can promise you that. If I can do it, anybody can do it. But again, 18 hours a day, I knew nothing about the online world at all, including social media. I had to learn everything from the ground up. I just wanted to get my time back with my family, and I was willing to do what it took to do that. So I plugged in, I listened, I did everything that I was told to do. And in 10 weeks, I was able to walk away from not one, but two jobs. Two jobs. And now for the last year, I have been working from home 2 to 3 hours a day with this online business. I started out promoting the 4 done-for-you digital products, right? Now I am actively bringing in income from 10 streams of income daily. It's amazing. And I never even knew it possible. If I couldn't even figure out what the plus sign was on the TikTok when I started. And now I can generate 6 figures and another one and another. I mean, come on, the sky's the limit. And this is longevity. It's not get rich quick. This is long-term employment, like long-term, baby. A year. Guess what tomorrow? I am moving my daughter to college. I was able to get her own apartment, fully go out and buy furniture and everything, pay for her college. She's going to law school. I could have never done that before this program, ever. But now I have a business that's online, out there working for me, and still generating me an income while I step away and go help my daughter move and do all the things that I can provide for her that I haven't been able to do for years. It's called freedom. And you can get it with this program. I promise you that. Thank you, Michelle.
Oh, thank you for sharing. And how exciting that you're doing that with your daughter tomorrow. That's everything, isn't it? That's
It
everything.
is. It is. It is amazing.
Oh, thank you, Michelle.